Imagine an army of soldiers armed with guns losing a battle to flightless birds. In 1932, Western Australia faced a bizarre showdown: humans versus emus. Farmers, desperate to protect their crops, sought military help as 20,000 emus ravaged their fields. The emus were fast, agile, and surprisingly strategic. Despite soldiers with machine guns, the emus outmaneuvered and outnumbered them. The military campaign meant to save the crops became a public embarrassment. By the end of the war, the emus had won, leaving the soldiers to retreat in defeat. This unusual battle left Australians with a peculiar chapter in their history, proving sometimes nature finds a way to outsmart humanity.